To conclude this chapter, we're going to discuss the break and the continue statements. First, let's start off with break. Okay, so what break is going to do, it is used when we want to stop an execution of a loop. So from the previous tutorial, we had this infinite loop where it printed an infinite amount of times. And when we use break, for example, let's write out break, and then we're going to print. As you can see, it only printed out once. So after printing, it broke the loop and it finished, and it only printed infinite once. And that's pretty much how break works. So if you want to stop a loop, just use break. Like you could have a condition, another condition within the while loop, and after that condition, it breaks. So let's talk about continue now. So we're going to erase that. And if you want to skip a certain step in the execution of a loop, we use continue. This command, what it does, it skips all the commands that come after continue all the way to the end of the loop. So let's write, and it's used often in for loops. So let's write for, it kind of filled it out already when you press tab in Sublime Text, but don't worry about that. Let's just write out what we need. So we're going to do 1 to 11, and then we're going to have if I equals 5, we're going to do continue. So what this does, it skips print, and of course at the end we're going to have print. What this is going to do is it's going to skip where I equals 5. So let's do that. Let's print that out. Let's build that, and let's see our result. As you can see, there's no 5 here because when we use continue on the condition if I equals 5, excuse me, we don't print it out, we just skip it. And so that's pretty much break and continue. That's pretty much it. We hope to see you next time.